welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really good. I'm back with a video after a very long time, and guess what, I'm back with a hair care routine again. Like over the time period my hair care routine has also been changed, so I thought of sharing it with you all. And actually I got a lot of question regarding my hair, like what do you do to your hair that your hair are so good. So in today's video I am gonna like show you what I actually do to my hair. So without any further ado, let's just go and start the video. So today we are going to talk about my hair. So पहले तो मैं आप लोगों को दिखा देती हूँ how my hair is been doing right now. You can see how healthy and beautiful they look. Like you can see there isn't any frizziness. They are really beautiful and really soft to touch. So ये कैसे हुए? Like you know, like my hair quality from beginning it's really good. Being a like beauty blogger, I have to style my hair and I have to apply a lot of things to my hair, like heat styling tools, then also different kind of products, and also I have colored my hair lately. So जिसकी वजह से मेरे hair थोड़े से डैमेज हो गए थे जो पहले नहीं थे, and I was like what to do to my hair to get back that lost healthiness that I had in my hair, you know. And then I just find something which really worked. Do you want to know what is that? Then that is the all new L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 range. I know they're not new, you must have heard about them, but they have added something new and made it a little newer version of what it was earlier and made it more powerful and walkable. And when I turned to this, my hair looked this beautiful. As you can see, there isn't any frizziness whatsoever. I'm so happy with the result that it has given me, but उसके ऊपर हम बाद में जाएंगे. Before that, let me tell you like why your hair get damaged. You know, like हम लोगों का perception होता है कि heat styling tool या फिर like coloring से बाल बहुत ज़्यादा damage होते हैं, which is so true, होते हैं. But apart from that, environmental stress जो होता है उसकी वजह से आपके hair बहुत ज़्यादा damage हो जाते हैं. Environmental stress अगर बोलूँ तो that would be like pollution, that would be UV rays, that would be like bad weather condition, like, and of course the climate and everything that really affects your hair. जो मेरे में भी हुआ था, like of course environmental stress तो था ही. Apart from that I have colored my hair जिसकी वजह से मेरे बाल काफ़ी ज़्यादा lifeless हो गए थे, and इन सब reason की वजह से your hair tend to lose its natural shine and softness, and also it becomes a little frizzy and unmanageable because of these factors. So which is very much important to cure. तो वो सब को cure करने के लिए आपको help करता है L'Oreal Paris का ये वाला रेंज. So let me tell you something about this range. Like ये पहले से ही बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा था, but L'Oreal ने इसको और ज़्यादा अच्छा किया है by adding keratin excess to it, जिसकी वजह से it can perform even better and gives you better result, जिसका visible result आपके सामने है. पहले रेंज के बारे में थोड़ा सा बताते हैं. As the name suggests, इसमें लिखा हुआ है L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5, which means it repairs 5 signs of damages. So ये 5 signs of damages क्या है? Let's just check that out. First of all, you would see split ends, which is like number one sign of damage. Then you'd be seeing dryness to your hair. Your hair would be like straw-like. Then you'd be seeing brittleness on your hair. Your hair gets frizzy and so on. So these are the 5 signs of damages that's there. This amazing, beautiful range repair all of these 5 signs. Isn't that amazing? That's when the keratin excess comes in handy. Because of the keratin excess that's infused here, it penetrates deep into your hair fiber and nourish your hair from within, and जिसकी वजह से makes your hair looks really bouncy, healthy and beautiful. So let me quickly show you what this range consists of. So this range consists of 3 products, as you can see. The first product in this range is their L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 repairing shampoo, and it is mainly focuses on damaged hair. It is available in the size 192 ml and it priced at rupees 179. And the next product in this range is their L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 a restoring conditioner with 9 90% repair concentrated with keratin excess, and again it is for damaged hair, and it is available in the size 192 ml and priced at rupees 209. And the third and the last product in the range is their L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 Smoothing and Repairing Serum, which is for unmanageable damaged hair. It is their leave-on treatment, available in the size 40 ml and priced at rupees 175. So these are the three products that's there into the range, which is a very simple routine and easy to follow. So abhi tak maine bata diya what are the products and how they perform and everything about the product. Now let me show you how do I like to use them on me personally. So I always start from the shampoo, and for that I take the L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 shampoo, the repairing shampoo with 4% repair concentrate with a keratin excess, and they are designed to use for daily. It repairs the 5 signs of damaging, which is like straw-like hair texture, brittleness, dehydration, stiff hair, and split ends. I take generous amount of the product on my palm and apply it right from my scalp to the tip of my hair, and I massage it thoroughly to my hair. And once I'm happy with the result, I just rinse it off using cold water. And after that, I straightly move into the conditioning part, and for that I use L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 Restoring Conditioner with 9% repair concentrate with keratin excess. Take generous amount of the product and apply from the mid length of my hair till the tip of my hair, and I leave it there for 4 to 5 minutes just so it can nourish my hair even better. And these two products are designed to use on a daily basis, but I personally don't like to wash my hair on a daily basis. I use them alternate day, but if you are used to, then you can use this product daily ki tarah se. So after I'm done with the time period, I just washed my hair thoroughly. I let my hair air dry. I do not use any sort of heat styling tool, and after air drying my hair, I directly move on to the L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 Smoothing and Repairing Serum. I take few drops of it on my palms and spread it well on my palms, and I apply it from the mid-length to the tip and starting from my root of the hair, so that there isn't any sort of frizziness, and it is non-sticky at all, so it do not make your hair feel sticky, and it adds extra shine to your hair. It is a leave-on treatment. That means you have to leave it there on your hair for that extra touch of care on your hair. You can see the before and after clip. In the before part, my hair was really unmanageable, really frizzy, but on the other hand you can see the after part where my hair looks much more manageable, beautiful and healthy. This is the difference I was talking about. The more you use it, the more your hair will be in the happier and beautiful and healthier side. So all three of the product, the entire range is infused with keratin excess. So जो आप पहली बार ही use करोगे, you can see the difference from the very beginning itself. But you have to be very much regular with the product to see visible result. Like I have been using this product for over like 2 months now. So now coming to my personal experience, I am like super duper impressed with the entire range, especially this shampoo and conditioner. With those two itself, your hair, you'll feel like without even applying the serum, your hair would feel really nourished from the very first use. You would like experience more nourished hair with each washes, so which is great. So yeah, I would definitely be recommending these products to you all. It is super affordable, then you can definitely give it a try. It work. Two awesome reasons to try it out, so I would definitely recommend you all to at least give it a try. All the possible links of these products will be down in the description box. In case you want to try this out, you can try it from the description. So that's it with my simple and current hair care routine. I hope you guys liked it and it was helpful for you all. If it was, then you know the drill. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a very big thumbs up, share it with your friends and comment down below. And I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, bye, take care, and I love you all.